Welcome back, friends. How are you all doing today? If you're new here, welcome. Today I will be showing you how I make my carrot oil, not the carrot seed oil. Why carrot oil, you might say? Carrot oil is good for dry hair and skin. It's an antifungal and antibacterial. It's an antioxidant and contain anti-aging properties and anti-inflammatory properties too. The list goes on. I use peeled carrot. I use a grater to break them down. You can use a food processor. I do not want to do the cleaning for this peeled carrot, and I chose the safflower oil as my carrier oil because it's both light and have many benefits. Crockpot option is the best option for me in terms of retaining more benefit. Or if you do not have crockpot, you can use a very low heat on your stove. So let's start making things. Starting by cleaning and scraping the outer layer of my chosen carrot. Now you can use the potato peeler to peel the outer part of the carrot. I washed my carrot really well and I just went ahead and scrape it because it's quicker for me. And then I cut the head off and I will be replanting that in my garden. So I went ahead and just used 3 of the carrot. I grated it and I put it in my little crock pot. This crock pot is what I use when I'm making things for my skincare and my hair care. It's now big because I do not want to mix my product stuff and my kitchen stuff together. So I went ahead and just pour my safflower oil in. Make sure that the oil is above the carrot. After that, I went ahead, I put my setting into low. If I have a bigger one, I will have kept it longer, but because I only have low, I do not have warm setting on this little crock pot, I only cook it for 5 hours. Even with that, you still have the carrot water itself, it's in it. I'm going to be showing you how I separate my oil and what I use the remaining of the liquid for later. Maybe in another video I will show you. I'm using this saving material. It's a set that I got from Amazon. It's way better for me. It's better than the cheesecloth because I have a video that I did something and I was using cheesecloth. That was a disaster for me. It's just too messy. I don't like that. This is the butter that I'm going to be using. I got this from the dollar store. I just got several of them. I am going to be using this funnel. I went ahead and I poured my carrot oil and everything in there to just separate the oil, and some of the water always come out with it. That carrot water does not allow your oil to last longer, and the oil might end up just be growing some mold or something later. For a safer oil, you want to make sure that you separate your oil from that carrot liquid. Let me tell you, you can use that liquid for something very beneficial for you. I did not use my hand, because if I use my hand to squeeze it at this point, you see that little water coming out? That's carrot water. Is going to go in a lot more. And I want to reduce that. I'm going to be squeezing the carrot water out later, and you will see, maybe in this video or in another video. I kind of put it to the side. You see me bringing the helper right there. I waited a little bit so the carrot water in there can settle into the bottom and the oil can all come up. You will see as I'm separating the oil, I'm kind of putting it down so the carrot water can stays in the bottom. You can see right there, it started to come up as it's gonna go into my oil, but no, we're not doing that. All we want is the oil, and that's what we're gonna stay with. That carrot water right there, it's one of the best things you can have. It's actually very, very good. I made product with this after I'm done. Whew, it's really awesome. This is the oil that I got so far. There's more oil to be cultivated from this. And I went ahead and just used one of my product bottle to put that in there. So that's going to be for my own personal use, or just give it out to one of my friends. Pay attention to the water as it's coming. And I'm going to be so adamant because I do not want no water in my oil. Now I'm using a spoon to get as much oil out of it. I got as much as I can get, and then that's it. I really enjoy doing this because I know what goes into my oil, and when I'm using it, I'm more comfortable. You see, those are the water that comes in there. Oof. Let me tell you, those carrot water, it's really very useful. I can now squeeze it when I'm ready to use it in a little bit. So you see the water here too together. So you still have oil in there, but then you have a lot more of the water than the oil. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Let me know if you like this video. So that's it. This is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in today. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.